You've probably heard about vagus nerve massage, right? That magical technique where you rub your neck a certain way and boom, instant calm. Your stress melts away, your anxiety disappears. Here's the problem, you can't actually massage your vagus nerve. And if you've been trying to, you've basically been wasting your time. But here's the thing that doesn't mean you're stuck. In fact, there are 4 science-backed methods that are way more effective than any massage technique. And the best part, most of them are completely free and take less than 5 minutes a day. Look, I get it, you're stressed. Your nervous system feels like it's stuck in overdrive, and you're desperately searching for anything that works. Every time you scroll, you see another biohack promising to fix everything: your sleep, your digestion, your anxiety with some weird technique you've never heard of. The noise is real, and the confusion. That's exactly why I'm making this video. I'm going to walk you through the 4 genuine, evidence-backed methods that actually regulate your vagus nerve and calm your nervous system. No fluff, no gimmicks, just science and simplicity. By the end, you're going to have a practical, actionable habit you can start today that will genuinely help your body shift from stress mode into rest mode. Let's break this down. The myth: why you can't massage your vagus nerve. Here's the first truth that might shock you. You cannot manually massage your vagus nerve. I know. It sounds crazy, right? But anatomy doesn't lie. The main trunk of your vagus nerve sits deep inside your body, protected by layers of muscle, bone, and tissue. Your fingers literally cannot reach it. It's like trying to massage the engine of your car through the paint. So why do people feel so calm after a vagus nerve massage? Because they're triggering their parasympathetic nervous system, the whole rest and digest system, not the nerve itself. It's general relaxation doing the heavy lifting, not some targeted nerve manipulation. Think of it like this. It's the difference between thinking you're taking a vitamin from a specific pill when actually, the warm cup holding the pill is what's calming you down. In fact, research shows that a simple 10-minute shoulder massage, just a regular one, increases heart rate variability, your marker of nervous system health, just as much as a fancy vagus nerve massage does. A board-certified integrative medicine specialist named Dr. Adrian Cole explains it perfectly. He says, it is being sold like a switch you can flip for calm, focus, and digestion. That is just not how the vagus nerve works. You cannot knead it like dough and expect your whole system to respond on cue. The body is not a vending machine. Here's the payoff. Once you understand this, you can stop wasting energy on techniques that don't work and focus on what actually does. But before we move on, I need to mention one critical safety warning. Avoid pressing firmly on the carotid sinus, which is an area on the side of your neck where you can feel your pulse strongly. Applying pressure here can cause a dangerous drop in blood pressure, potentially leading to fainting or hospitalization. This isn't a technique to mess with outside a medical setting. Tool 1. The long exhale technique. Alright, let's talk about the first real tool, the long exhale. You've probably heard, take a deep breath, a million times. And honestly, that advice is incomplete. What actually matters isn't how deep you breathe, it's how long your exhale is. Here's why. When you make your exhale longer than your inhale, you're sending a direct signal to your nervous system that says, hey, it's safe to relax right now. This triggers your parasympathetic response and slows your heart rate almost immediately. There's a sweet spot researchers found. Around 6 breaths per minute is the magic number for maximum nervous system benefit. That's about a 3-second inhale and a 7-second exhale. Let me walk you through it. Breathe in through your nose for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Hold for just a moment. Then exhale through your mouth for 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do this 10 times. That's it. Less than 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, your heart rate drops, your cortisol, that's your stress hormone, decreases. And your body shifts into a genuine rest state. Not a fake, I'm forcing myself to relax, vibe. Actual parasympathetic activation. This is the foundation. If you do nothing else from this video, master this breathing technique. It's that powerful. Tool 2. Your voice is a built-in regulator. Here's something wild that most people don't realize. Your voice is a built-in nervous system regulator. The vagus nerve is directly connected to your vocal cords and passes through your inner ear. This means that when you use your voice, when you engage those muscles, you're literally activating the nerve that controls your calm response. You don't need an app. You don't need a device. You just need to make sound. Here are 4 ways you can do this right now. First, humming. Just hum a simple tune for 30 seconds to a minute. Any tune. Doesn't matter if you're good at it, the act of humming engages those deep throat muscles. Second, singing. Sing in the shower, sing in the car, sing in your room. Belt it out. This is actually one of the most accessible techniques because most people already do it somewhere in their lives. Third, chanting. If singing feels too vulnerable, try simple chants, even just saying or ah repeatedly. The repetitive vibration is what matters. Fourth, gargling. Gargle vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. It sounds silly, but the back of throat activation is powerful. Why this works? These activities engage the muscles in the back of your throat, which directly stimulates the vagus nerve. It's not complicated. It's not a hack. It's just using your body the way it's designed. After just 30 to 60 seconds of humming or gargling, most people report feeling noticeably calmer, more focused, and more grounded. You can do this anywhere, at your desk, in the bathroom, while cooking dinner. It's that simple and that effective. Tool 3. Cold water activation. Alright, here's the one that might surprise you. Cold water. Now, I'm not saying you need to jump into an ice bath like some biohacker in the garage. You don't. That's overkill. What research actually shows is that a simple splash of cold water, or even holding a cold ice pack against your neck or face for 10 to 15 seconds, triggers a powerful vagus nerve response. This is called the cold face test, and here's what happens. The cold triggers your diving reflex, a survival mechanism that slows your heart rate, directs blood to your brain, and activates your parasympathetic system in seconds. How to do it? Fill a bowl or sink with cold water. It doesn't have to be freezing, just cold. Hold your breath, splash your face with both hands, or submerge your face for 5 to 15 seconds. Alternatively, just splash cold water on your face for 10 seconds. No fancy setup needed. You can do this first thing in the morning to shake off grogginess, or in the middle of a stressful afternoon. To reset your nervous system. Here's an important safety note though. If you have any heart condition, talk to your doctor before trying cold water therapy. For most people it's fine, but this is one where medical clearance matters. Don't skip this step if you have cardiovascular concerns. Your cortisol drops, your heart rate decreases, and your mind gets sharp. It's like an instant reboot. You'll feel it immediately. Tool 4. Exercise and movement. The last tool is the most powerful long-term investment: regular exercise. Here's the thing about all the previous techniques: they're fantastic for acute stress relief. You need to calm down right now. The breathing, the humming, the cold water, those work. But if you want to build genuine, lasting resilience in your nervous system, if you want to be someone who naturally handles stress better, that's where exercise comes in. When you exercise, your body adapts. It has to provide more oxygen, more energy. And in that adaptation process, your vagus nerve gets stronger. Better vagal tone, as we call it. Both interval training and endurance training are effective. A 20-minute run, 15 minutes of cycling, a strength training session, even a brisk walk. The key is consistency. Here's the nuance though: more isn't always better. Research shows that training too intensely or too frequently, like 5 to 7 days a week at high intensity, can actually decrease your heart rate variability. You're creating too much physical stress without enough recovery time. The sweet spot? 3 to 5 days a week of movement you actually enjoy, mix in some rest days. Let your body recover. Over weeks and months of consistent movement, your nervous system becomes genuinely more resilient. You bounce back from stress faster. You sleep better. Your digestion improves. Your mood stabilizes. It's not instant, but it's real, sustainable change. Putting it together, your daily habit. So let's bring this home. You came here because you wanted to know how to calm your nervous system. Maybe you'd heard about vagus nerve massage and thought it was the answer. The truth? The answer was always simpler. It's not about finding some magical technique, it's about understanding how your nervous system actually works and then using the tools that are proven to shift it. Here's your habit for tomorrow. Pick one of these techniques. Just one, not all four. 1. If you're stressed right now, try the 3-7 breathing, 2 minutes. See how you feel. If you want something you can do anywhere, start humming or gargling for 30 seconds. If you want an instant reset, splash your face with cold water. And if you want to build real, lasting change, commit to 3 days of movement this week. This is what nervous system mastery actually looks like, not chasing myths, but consistently using what works. Here's what I need from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 techniques you're going to try first. I read every single comment, and I want to know your starting point. And if you found this valuable and you want real, science-backed tools, please like this video and subscribe. You've got this.